Hey Divas, it's Imani here, and I will be doing another hair tutorial for you. This is actually a collaboration video with Sindel Nicole. I will have a link to her page down below. You guys have to go check her out. Our collab video is that I will be doing a perm rod set. The products that she told me to use is the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil, Style and Shine Foaming Mousse, and this Cream of Nature with Argan Oil, the 7-in-1 leave-in treatment. This stuff smells really, really good. So these are the only two products that I'm allowed to use, but I will be using my Curls Blueberry Bliss Edge Control just for my edges. So if you're interested, let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting out on already blow-dried hair. And what I had already did was moisturize my hair, and it just already had it up in a twist. That's why it looks like this. So it still feels pretty moisturized and things like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and spritz some water on it and then use my leave-in treatment. I'll be starting in the back first. So I'm just gonna part my hair. Just separate it and just apply a little bit of water. And apply the 7-in-1 leave-in treatment first. This stuff smells so good. It's actually like a conditioner. It's a detangler. Has oils in this. Helps controls frizz. Prevents split ends. So I can't wait to see how this makes my hair look and feel. Gonna apply the mousse. Okay, I'm gonna start at the end. And I'm going to do the twist and curl. So I'm completely dried, and I'm going to take these down. I just took out all the rollers, and this is what it looks like. Because it is late right now, I am not going to fluff out these curls. What I'm going to do is pin curl them, and I'll take them down tomorrow. So I will see you ladies tomorrow morning. Stay tuned. Alright, so I am back. It's the next day. I just took down my pin curls. I'm going to put some oil on my fingertips and kind of run it over my curls. This just will reduce any frizz. Alright, so let's start taking these apart. So I have taken a loose each curl. I'm very happy with my results. My hair is big and curly and fluffy. I am just going to go ahead and pick the roots just to give it a little extra volume and that no parts are showing. I am shocked to say that I have used mousses before and it has never come out like this. And once again, I absolutely love the smell of that leave-in 7 treatment Cream of Nature conditioner. Has the oils and everything detangler in it. Woo, look at this. I love it. I love it. Thanks again to Sindel Nicole for doing this collab video with me and to let me go ahead and use these products. I thank you for that. And once again, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe this video. And as always, happy hair divas. Bye-bye.